In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the disk read error on Steam. If you've been experiencing this frustrating issue, don't worry, I'll show you a simple and effective way to resolve it so you can get back to enjoying your games without any hiccups. First, let's start by opening Steam on your computer. Make sure you have your Steam client running because that's where we'll be making these changes. If you haven't already launched it, just double-click on the Steam icon on your desktop or find it in your program list and open it up. Once Steam is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window. You'll see the Steam logo there, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to various settings and options that we'll need to access to fix the disk read error. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Settings. This will open up a new window where we can adjust various configurations for your Steam client. It's like the control panel specifically for Steam, and it's where we'll find the tools needed to address the issue at hand. Now that you're in the Settings window, look on the left-hand side for the tab labeled Downloads. This section manages everything related to how your Steam client downloads and stores game data. Click on Downloads to bring up the relevant options on the right side of the window. Here's where we get to the heart of the matter. In the Downloads section, you'll need to find the button labeled Clear Download Cache. This option is crucial because sometimes a corrupted cache can cause the disk read error. By clearing it, we essentially clean up any potential problems that might be lurking in the cache files. Once you've located the Clear Download Cache button, go ahead and click on it. You might be wondering what exactly this will do. When you clear the cache, Steam will remove those temporary files that may be causing the disk read error. Don't worry, you won't lose any game data or settings, but you will need to log back into Steam afterward, so make sure you remember your login credentials. After clicking on Clear Download Cache, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is just Steam's way of making sure you really want to clear the cache. To proceed, simply click Confirm. It's essential to confirm this step because it's what will actually initiate the clearing process. Once confirmed, Steam will restart and you'll be prompted to log in again. This is perfectly normal, so just enter your username and password to get back into your account. After you've logged back in, the cache will be cleared, and any potential issues causing the disk read error should be resolved. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Steam download cache, which should help fix the pesky disk read error. If you're still experiencing issues after trying this fix, it might be worth checking your internet connection or ensuring that your hard drive doesn't have any other underlying problems. But in most cases, clearing the download cache should do the trick. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now able to enjoy your games without any interruptions. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.